Hi, Adam Sweet here. Today I wanted to show you one of my favorite books for beginners. It's called You Can Teach Yourself Fiddling, and it's a good book for mandolin players as well as fiddle players. And it's great if you don't already know how to read music. It's a really fast and dirty method for learning how to read because it has a really detailed explanation in the beginning. And then some very simple staffs for how to play the open strings, and then how to play an A scale, and finally, very quickly, you can see that, very quickly it gets into tunes, melodies. And as you can see in the melody here, it has everything you need. It has the fingering, the chord, the key signature, the time signature, everything for learning how to play that melody. Now, like I said, it was written specifically for the fiddle, but it's also appropriate for the mandolin. And I want to teach you how to read. I'm not going to do it today because it takes a little bit longer video than what I'm going to post here. But I just want to say that reading is very easy. And one of the nice things about reading is that if you can read music, then you can play any style of music that's been printed, both online and out of a book. You can also play music in an orchestra. You can join a band. You can, if you can read and other people in your band can't read, then that makes you a very valuable player, and so on. So if you have any questions, post them below. Like I said, I'm going to do a longer video about how to read music. But for right now, if you have any questions, contact me through my website, which is asomusic.net, or post them below. And thank you very much for watching.